This is HumbleFx. This is HumbleFx. Okay, guys, if you remember the last video we created today, the swing killer, we took a trade. We took a trade. Why the video was going on? Look at, we took a trade on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, I told you guys we have got the setup that meets that have met right about here. When it was crossing here, we saw it live here. You can watch the video on the last video before this one, or check on this video description. I will post it right there. You see, we met the entry here, and we should enter the market. We enter the market at this region here, and look at that. Since that time, we have been holding, we have been making the market going this far distance. Okay, we have moved all this way up from that region of entry, right? Somewhere here we moved all the way here. I told you guys you exit at the level of 50, which is the black line here, but we are still riding it. Why? Because I checked on the 15 minutes time frame, and I saw that the stuff just met on that level. We just got an entry right about here, and now we are still moving up. So I will hold for this one to touch 50 or so. Okay, and on the 1 hour time frame also, I told you guys that in the video, we are also having the setup on one hour time frame, so we are going to hold for a longer period of time. Okay, guys, and we are expecting the market to even move higher to the red line. Okay, if you check our previous analysis on 1 hour time frame, let's check that analysis we did earlier. That is 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is what we did. We said it should go up there, come down, and go up again. So we expect this thing to happen, this scenario to play out. Okay, that is what it is, guys. What it is, when this see the live trade, this is live, guys. That's live trade, guys. Okay, you see that we entered here. If you check the video well, you see that we entered the video this place when it was about $4 to $6, and right now we are at $46, and we aim to make more. We aim to earn more, guys. So guys, this is real, very real, guys. Learn to trade like a pro. Okay, watch the video, really good, practice on demo, and send us your feedback. HumbleFx signing out.